Hi, welcome to Know It Olly ELI5's Momentum. So, momentum is the rate of change over time. That means, is the price increasing over time or is it decreasing? So, as we see in this chart for my trading view here, this white line is the 200 moving average. So I've got this set to the daily viewer, which means that this is the 200-day moving average. So if we look at this, for the last, since November of 20 last year, we have had upward momentum. The thing is, it is consistent upward momentum. If we look back a couple of months prior to that, in this area, you can see we do have upwards momentum. However, we have at this point where it turns that corner like a hockey stick, that is an increase in momentum. Now, if we go back to just before the sickness crash, you can see we had some upwards momentum, and then that momentum for a little bit there, a week or two, flattened out. So that isn't negative momentum, that is decreasing positive momentum. So it is still going up, it's just going up at a slower and slower and slower rate. Now, the same thing can be said for in a bearish situation where this big white line is going down. As you can see here, the S&P 500 has had many years of consistently going up. We have small spots where the momentum started to go in a negative direction. You can see the momentum is pretty flat here. It goes down, it changes, and then it accelerates back up again. Momentum is what direction your moving averages are going in and how quickly are they going up or down. So that's momentum. I hope that made some sense. Momentum, if we go back in there, often, but not always, leads the price. So when you're looking at these, you can see the momentum is going up and the price has been going up. As you can see, though, there are little points there where we take a dip and go back up. But the overall momentum, as we see here in the blue 50 moving average, is still going up. So, for anything that's going down, don't fight gravity. Don't trade anything that's on a way down. It's just you're trying to catch a falling knife, you're going to get cut. One of the biggest things that I had to learn when I first got into trading was never trading anything below that white line. If it doesn't have positive upward momentum, then I ain't even going to look at it as an option to trade. It's because the trend is your friend. If it's trending down, wait until it starts trending back up, proves that it's going to stay trending back up before you start getting into those trades. So that's momentum. Momentum is the rate at which it is going up or down. This is super consistent momentum. But as you can see here, we had small upwards momentum, and then we had a very quick increase in upwards momentum. What we really need to be careful of now is if this white line starts to flatten out and lose its upwards momentum, well, then we start looking at potentially having the white line drop and go down. And as many people know, stocks like to take the stairs up, but they come back down on the elevator. So always just keep an eye out. This is a long run without touching that white line. We'll have to see what happens in 2022. Know It Olly out.